Just a quick heads up. I've spent the last 3 hours trying to fix my video editing software so that it would take my uploads and so I could actually edit them and make them, seamless and look good and everything else and look professional. Not working at all. So I'm going to take the clips from my videos, put them together, throw them up there so at least you can have the content and see it. So please enjoy what's next. Do know that obviously the way it's spliced and everything else, it was supposed to be detailed, edited, and look pretty decent. But that's not going to be the case. Welcome. If you joined me today, it's probably because you looked at something like Eufy Smart Lock, front door replacement, Smart Lock in general. Should I choose a different one? I have gone with a Eufy brand because I have the robot vacuums and I've actually really enjoyed them. I'm a mechanical engineer and have been thrilled with their products before, so I hope I'm going to be as thrilled with this product. I'm not going to sit here and do an unboxing video because frankly no one in the world cares about what the box looks like. Instead, I'm going to install it, not give you a how-to guide, but maybe some tips and tricks or things you need to pay attention to, and then mainly let you know, do I like it or not, and how to go from there. So before you buy anything that you're going to install at your house, you should always check the dimensions to make sure it's going to fit properly. That should be a simple, quick check, in this case, of door thickness and the height of the center line from your deadbolt down to the top of your door handle, doorknob, or lever that you're using to open the door. You'll find that in the install guide or on the Amazon page that you're looking at for this in general. It should only take a few seconds, but make sure to do it before. Well, overall, that was actually rather simple once I stopped overthinking it. It's done. The battery is charging right now, and once I'm done, I scan the QR code here, and then it takes me to the app, which then I can add different profiles, and so on and so forth. But the lock is smooth. I have the deadbolt and keys. Here's the exterior of it. That's our dog that just got neutered, little Bella. And yes, that's it. It actually went super excellent. So later on today or tomorrow, once that thing is fully charged, I'll give you all a full review of it. But that's it.